previous video, we knew that we are losing our forests at a very high rate. In today's video, we will know how we can save our earth by controlling deforestation, overpopulation, and pollution. Let us start. Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. See the line. Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavour try to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard means protect, save the forests and wildlife of the country. It means to say that it is written in Article 48A of the Indian Constitution that it is the duty of the state to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. But what causes endless anguish is the fact that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. See what a tragedy there. But what causes endless means unlimited, anguish means pain, is the fact that the laws are never respected nor enforced in India. Actually, the main point is that in India it is an old saying that laws are made to be broken. It is the philosophy of the Indian people that they don't respect laws, they don't follow laws, they feel happy that it is their birthright to break laws. See the line. But what causes endless means unlimited, anguish means pain, is the fact that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. Some laws are only on the paper, but there is no impact of laws on the ground. For instance, the Constitution says that casteism, untouchability, bonded labor shall be abolished, but they flourish shamelessly even after 44 years of the operation of the Constitution. See, in India there are many laws, but how many of them are followed on the ground? That is the question. See the line. For instance means, for example, the Constitution says that casteism, untouchability and bonded labor shall be abolished. Abolished means rooted out. It is written in the Constitution that these social evils must be abolished at any cost. But they flourish shamelessly. Shamelessly means in shameful manner. But they flourish in shameful manner. But they are practiced in shameful manner in the society. Even after 44 years of the operation of the Constitution. See, nearly 44 years have passed since the constitution came into force. But these social evils are still practiced in society. That's why it is said that laws are made on the paper, but they are broken on the ground. A recent report of our Parliament's Estimates Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic depletion of India's forest over the last 4 decades. See, this is a very important line. A recent report of our Parliament's Estimate Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic. Catastrophic means extremely harmful. Depletion means decreasing of India's forests over the last 4 decades. The committee has highlighted that there has been a great decrease in Indian forests over the last 4 decades. India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acres a year. See, what a great loss we are having. See, India, according to reliable data, is losing its forests at the rate of 3.7 million acres a year. Large areas officially designated as forest land are already virtually treeless. See, large areas that are officially designated, titled, named as forest land are already virtually treeless. Actually, the areas that are designated, that are titled, that are named as forest land are actually treeless. The actual loss of forests is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. See, the actual loss of forest is estimated means calculated to be about means nearly 8 times greater than the rate of loss of forests indicated by government statistics. Actually, the actual loss of forests is calculated to be nearly 8 times greater than the rate of loss of forest indicated by government data. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by the United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. See, the United Nations conducted a 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography and got the report. The report gives us a warning. See, warns means gives a warning that the environment has deteriorated. Has deteriorated means has become worse so badly that it is critical. It is in critical condition of the 88 countries investigated. There can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. See, the writer is saying that the growth of world population is one of the main causes for the problems of human society. See, there can be no doubt, actually, there is no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting, deforming the future of human society. Actually, the overgrowth of world population is destroying the future of human society. It took mankind more than a million years to reach the first billion. Actually, here the writer is talking about the growth rate of world population. See, it took mankind more than a million years to reach the first billion, to reach the population of the first billion. That was the world population around the year 1800. That was the world population around the year 1800. It means to say that 1 million population of the world was around the year 1800. By the year 1900, a second billion was added. By the year 1900, a second billion was added to the world population. And in this way, the world population became 2 billion. And the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion to the world population. In this way, the world population became 5.7 billion. See, the present world population is estimated, means calculated, at at 5.7 billion. The present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. Every 4 days, every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 billion. See, what a fast growth rate in population. See, every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 million. See, with the passage of time, the growth rate of the world population has increased. It is getting faster than before. Fertility falls as incomes rise, education spreads, and health improves. See, here the writer is telling us about the opposite relation between fertility rate and incomes, education, and health. See, fertility falls as incomes rise. When there is a rise in the income of the people, it leads to a rise in their living standard. Then the people start giving importance to the quality of life. They don't give importance to the quantity of life. See, education spreads. When education spreads, more and more people are educated. They know the importance of small families. They know how to control the number of children in their families by different means, and health improves. See, when there are
good health, when there are good health facilities, people are healthier than before. They know the importance of a healthy family. They give importance to healthy diet. They give importance to a healthy atmosphere of living. In this way, they know the quality life, and this also reduces fertility rate. Thus, development is the best contraceptive. Contraceptive means birth control device. Thus means in this way, development is the best birth control device. The writer is saying, with development we can control population. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase means growth in numbers means population continues. The writer is saying that there will be no development if the present growth in population continues, because the development will be consumed by the increased number of people. In today's video, we knew that we are losing our forests at a very high rate. We also knew about the fast growing population of the world. We also knew how to control it.